career. And Reed is back home in his city of New Orleans, where he was raised. 2nd and 15. He split out Walker to the right. Kaepernick with a fake. Jones is decked. And there's a sideline pass. Incomplete. It's ruled to Walker.
Boy, right off from the start, Jim, just what we kind of talked about. A play they've been practicing all week long, just lining up, and the 49ers line up wrong, take away a big play. Of course, anytime you have a quarterback like Colin Kaepernick, an excellent thrower on the run, early in the game, get him outside, easy throws, nerves do not become a part of it, but